Very good morning to you friends, and then in this video we are going to learn about the programming language called Golang, Google Go or Go just. We will be using the acronym just Go and we'll be calling it as Go. Go is a programming language created by Team Google and it has the features like C and C++, etc. And it also is object oriented program. It has just little minor variations in the declarations of the variables and its declarative statements, its static typecasting of the variables, etc. But we are now first in this video we are learning how to install the setup for Go. So for that you have to visit the website of the Go. This is the Go website. If you go back, open your web browser and then you just type Go. Just you don't have, I've already reached there, so I'm just taking you back to the beginning here. Yes, so just to type Go in your Google search and then you find the Go programming language comes, and here this is Go. So the various other details about the Go's are given. Now we click on this download Go, and there you see that in the download section you have different featured downloads for different type of machines: Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, and this is Linux. So depending on what type of hardware you have, you use this one of these features. Since I have Windows, I have already downloaded this one, and now I go to my download. Since I had already installed but I uninstalled it just to show you that how you can also install. So here I have already this one installed in my folder. I just simply double click it from here and here the installer starts working. So the window installer is just preparing to install, and there I think two instances of the same thing are working. Let me close one. Okay, so we need to have only one instance. Okay, now this one. So the welcome to Go programming, and here it goes, and say that so easy. Now just click on next and then accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on the next. Then here you have, it's going by default in the program files. If you want to change, you can do it. I don't like changing it because when it stays in the program file it works very properly. So click on the next and then click on the install. Everything, the path variable, environment variable, everything will be set automatically. You don't have to worry about that. Now it will just take few seconds and then this setup will be ready. So here it is finished. Now this is ready. Now what I do, that I suggest you to open one folder on the desktop or wherever you want. Then I open on the desktop and I call it as Go test. Okay, so the name of this folder is Go test. Then I open my Visual Studio Code and then here I add my package. So open folder, and there you go for this file which you just folder just to create it on the desktop, and you named it as Go test. This one, just select this folder. So this folder becomes part of this text editor. Now here she is. Right now it was some other folder. Now just it will be, yes, there you go. Go test is now ready. Okay, so close this extension, we don't need now. Then we need to install something from this extension. You see this is extensions. Click this one and then you type Go. Okay, then you find that you get this Go. Yes, since I have already installed, you can also install. Just click on the install section and it will be automatically installed. Once it is done, then you go into your folder here and there you create a new file, name it as main.go. Okay, now hit enter. When you hit enter key, then suddenly a pop-up will come, and then it may ask you to install certain features there. So this is main.go, and then it will ask you to install certain features. You can install it. Since I have already installed this one, then it's not working. Now how to run this one? Then I type the snippet fun, and then you get a structure like this. Okay, then first I have to import one package. Say write package main. So this is package main, and then after you import double quote fmt. Okay, when this is done, then you can, here it should be func main. Okay, when this part is done, then you can simply type fmt dot println. I am ready to go. Okay, then it's still showing some error. Okay, error is gone. Now to run this, you have to open the terminal. So just click on this new terminal, and just wait. Yes, so you see already we are here in this our own folder, like the Go test. We created a folder, and our terminal is C user, and we are into, or if you're not into this, you try to get back into your own folder. Then you run the code. It says that go run, and name of the file, that is main.go. So now click here. Now it works. You see the output, you see clearly it says that I'm ready to go. This one is the output. Same way you can write different type of codes. Now since our setup is ready, in the next video we will learn about the variables and other important features of programming language. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to